I said rice and stew.
Continue.
First of all, you buy your rice, then you on your gas, then you put on.
All the rice in the Sijasu we are. I mean, Obama take some hours be.
Is that how you work?
Who's that man?
Oh, okay. As for me, I like cabbage stew.
I don't want peace. I want problems always.
What's your name?
My name is Williams Dixon.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Oh, I think so. My best food in rice.
Continue.
Plain rice with stew.
God have mercy upon us.
Also, me used to like everyone say, oil, tomatoes, any mukoni sanjo mano, but me come in penny bakery, me penka crabby. So what I say? After odi angwani siswa, echucha jeni, odi guma, odi say beef bia na say bibia, emani bia, odi gumu, now the tomatoes na ere. Egumu, no chicha, tomatoes, naira, egumu. After that, no wape, magica crack. Now, ode gumu, we are, we still be we are, Otuesiwa.
Continue.
Far, Otuesiwa. Now the rice, Esijaso, all the rice in Sijasu, we are. I mean, Obama take some hours be.
Is that how you work?
All the rice in Sijasu, we are. I mean, Obama take some. Always be
Go marry Sandra.
Bibia settle down. So what I said, no, so what's here? Ubia, now waiting. The obey me, wait still no kakra. Now they go so. No, I then waiting.
What?
I think so, say, I know, better mommy.
God have mercy upon us.
Hey, y'all, come look at this. Your name?
Mark J.
Okay, Bramak, what's your favorite food and how do you prepare it?
My favorite food is, let's say, yam and stew. Yam and stew.
So is it palavasosa as contour stew or tomato stew?
Oh, okay. As for me, I like cabbage stew.
I don't want peace. I want problems always.
As for me, I like cabbage stew.
God have mercy upon us.
So how do you prepare that cabbage stew?
As for the food, I can prepare the food, but the stew is difficult for me to prepare.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
As for the cabbage, you wash it. After you wash it, you cut it small into the pot.
Simple, correct in English, you cannot speak.
And you boil it small.
Continue.
After you boil it, you go remove the water from it and put it into a bowl.
Continue.
And after that, you cut your onion into the pot and pour your oil, palm oil, and put it on the fire.
Simple, correct in English, you cannot speak.
My name is Kofi Asal.
Okay, Mr. Kofi Asal, can you tell us your favorite food and how you prepare it?
Oh, I like okontepa and Kobe. It's my favorite food.
And how do you prepare it?
Oh, okonte.
Simple, correct in English, you cannot speak.
Jesus.
What is in so many Janoswa? Waka.
God have mercy upon us.
And Kobe. Now,
Please, your name?
Lukman.
Lukman, what's your favorite food and how do you prepare it?
Oh. I don't prepare for food.
Simple, correct in English, you cannot speak.
Who's that man? Many can't home where the Majane. Some train says, I be a Jana, you read, and me to a train. And you know, man, medical, my benefit so. I'm the Abedu account home. I'm son, a come and I'm the siso. And some of the man, and bench and the bench, I've been a may not just say I'm quite sure this is why I ready. Ha, to me you for that kind of side then. I break hammer. To me good I just say me di.
God have mercy upon us.
Oh, me the amane ana adwene. Ha. Anu salam pe no me.
I mean, your favorite food and how do you prepare? So do you know prepare and not prepare?
I said
your favorite food. Do you know prepare?
I don't know. I'm going to watch it.
So how do you prepare it? Say now, come as offer so prepare. Where do you know?
I say just come on. Na sooner approve come on now I'm watching over them business there egum
What?
Eti mi wi a na musa sooner mo ashi kama na mo dem everyone say amona there egum.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Eti mi wi a mo eduro bi on abayo no na me gum na ebia me no bi da me ma me na eta me na de
So what's your favorite food and how do you prepare it?
I say rice and stew.
Continue.
First of all, you buy your rice, then you on your gas, then you put on
What is wrong with you now?
your water in the saucepan and you put it on the gas. Then you let it boil about like 5 minutes. Then you pour the rice inside.
Continue.
After some time, and then you check it whether it is well cooked or.
Simple, correct in English, you cannot speak.
As for the stew, there you need some ingredients like tomatoes, pepper, onion, then some some small foodstuffs, etc.
God have mercy upon us.
You put your saucepan on the gas, then you pour oil, then you slide or you chop some onion inside.
Continue.
Then you let it like fry for some minutes. Then you add the tomatoes, the chopped one, the chopped tomato. Then you add the chopped tomatoes in it. Then you add your tin tomatoes, then the pepper.
You dey joke with me?
And you wait for some minutes to be cooked. That's all.
So you don't add any fish to it.
As for the fish, I be okay. If you want it there, you add a little fish or meat to it. That's all.
Pow.